In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Claude. If you use Claude for work and personal projects, switching accounts helps keep your chats and settings organized. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Claude AI. Look for the official result with the Claude AI domain. If you see ads or similar-looking links, choose the genuine site and make sure the address bar shows a secure connection. Click through to open Claude. When Claude loads, look toward the lower left corner of the page. You'll see your profile avatar or your initials. Click that to open the profile menu. This is where your account controls live, including the option you need to sign out. From the Profile menu, select Logout. This signs you out of the current account. Your existing conversations remain tied to that account, so nothing is lost. You'll see them again the next time you sign back into it. After logging out, the sign-in screen will appear. Click Continue with Google. While other sign-in methods may be available, we'll use Google here because it's straightforward and common. Google will show a list of accounts already known to your browser. Choose the other account you want to use with Claude. If you don't see it, select the option to use another account and sign in with the correct credentials. Once you confirm, Google will complete the sign-in and return you to Claude under the account you selected. That's it. You've switched accounts. You can now access the conversations, files, and settings that belong to this profile. If you ever need to switch again, repeat the same flow. Open Claude, click your profile in the lower left, log out, choose Continue with Google, and pick the account you want. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If the profile button isn't visible, try widening your browser window or refreshing the page. If you often juggle multiple accounts, consider naming your Google browser profiles clearly so you can spot the right one at a glance. And if the wrong account keeps signing in automatically, sign out of Google in your browser first, then return to Claude and follow these steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more organized workflow by switching accounts in Claude whenever you need.